This is the Pivot Pro Knife and Tool Sharpener by WorkSharp. The Pivot Pro gives you so much versatility when sharpening all of your tools, from kitchen knives to hatchets. It can live on your workbench or your kitchen drawer. This thing is feature-packed. The Pivot Pro Knife Sharpener starts out with 3 stages of knife sharpening on top. The Convex Carbide creates an edge with minimal drag for smooth cutting. And the pivot response allows for sharper edge on the carbide, so I can actually sharpen faster if I have a really dull knife. Then you finish off with the fine ceramic for a razor's edge. On the bottom it has 2 dedicated carbides. One's a wide mouth for sharpening hatchets and axes. The other one is a single-sided carbide for sharpening scissors, shears, or garden tools. And then it has a large diamond plate with this big handle, so you can really get some leverage on sharpening things like an axe or restoring an edge to a hatchet. Very feature-packed. This thing is a workhorse for the shop.